Republican presidential frontrunner Donald Trump leads the primary race against an ever-shrinking field of contenders, a new poll shows. With only 4 candidates left in the race for the nomination, Mr. Trump is the top choice for 30% of the GOP electorate, followed by Ted Cruz, John Kasich, and Marco Rubio, who drops to 4th place according to the new WSJ NBC News poll out Tuesday. However, Mr. Trump's road to a nomination faces several obstacles as the field continues to thin. The numbers suggest that a smaller field of candidates may end up hurting Trump. In a head-to-head matchup, Trump is defeated by a 13-point margin against Rubio and a 17-point margin against Cruz and Kasich. Another roadblock comes as the race moves to new primary states. Mr. Trump garnered 36% support from voters in states that have already cast ballots. But in states yet to vote, he is the preferred pick of only 27% of the GOP electorate, followed by a Republican field that spans only 4 points. One rising adversary to Mr. Trump is Ohio Governor John Kasich. As candidates continue to drop out of the race, the percentage of voters who back Governor Kasich as their first choice has doubled to 22% since the last poll taken in February, and from only 3% in January, when there were far more candidates. Trump still dominates the GOP field, and as long as the race remains divided, he is likely to pick up several more key states. But as the GOP campaign heads into new territory, his nomination is far from certain.